DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
What's good, you two? Dang, it's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another banger. You already know what time it is. Yo, gang, you see what we're doing today, man? We are back with another Kman 6ixx reaction. Yeah, man, gang, you don't know? Yeah, man, I like reacting to Kman music, bro. Kman is one of the dopest Trini artists out, no cap. When it comes to lyrics and beat and just, he's one of my favorite artists out of the six, bro. I'm gonna be real with you. Kman, bro, one of my favorite artists out of the six. A couple other artists is good, but right now, as far as artists that's still alive right now, Kman 6ixx definitely one of my favorite. The man just has this smooth and just like this smooth, catchy, singy melody, bro, about him, bro. And the man have a voice like smooth like silk, bro. No cap, bro. So that's why Kman 6ixx one of my favorite artists out of the six, bro. The last song we did react to, react to from him was Fully 6 featuring Squash. You feel me? And we also did Team T about a month ago. You feel me? So it's been a minute since we reacted to a Kman 6ixx song. You feel me? And he just dropped this a few days ago, gang. I should have been reacting to him, but I just chilling. Apparently, he also dropped a EP. I was supposed to react to the EP. I haven't done so as yet, but I'm going to. So don't worry, gang. I'm gonna react to that EP. Yeah. So he dropped No Lethal like a few days ago, and if I'm remembering correctly, I do remember that Plumpy boss dropped a song named Lethal. So I'm guessing this is a reply to that. You see me? No Lethal. I'm guessing he's saying they're not lethal. But I gotta check out the song straight, like I said. But yeah, I remember Plumpy boss did drop a music video entitled Lethal. I know Kman 6ixx has No Lethal. So I was like, oof. So that's why that's the reason why I really haven't reacted to it yet. Cause people be like, yo, Kman 6ixx No Lethal, and I'm in my head, I'm like, bro, I already did Lethal, bro. You feel me? I know I did a Lethal. I don't know if it was Kman 6ixx or Plumpy, but I know I did a Lethal song. So that's why I realized, oh, it's two different songs. You feel me? So we're gonna react to Kman 6ixx No Lethal, so I gotta deal with. You feel me? I'm pretty sure he's replying to Plumpy boss No Lethal. You feel me? I'm pretty sure this is like a counteraction to that. We're gonna check it out. But like I said, Kman 6ixx is definitely one of my favorite artists out of the six. The man flow and just voice is just like too smooth, bro. One of my favorite song I think I reacted from Kman 6ixx was Dark Side and Focus. Yeah, man, those two songs was like crazy. And We Done Ready as ready. We Done Ready is also a good track from Kman 6ixx that I've listened to. You feel me? So yeah, man, I always have these smooth lyrics and just like very deadly. You feel me? Like calm but deadly. So you got Rebel 6, you got a Rebel 6 picture, and I think this is who is that? I don't know who's that on the left. But yeah, man, gang, we're gonna check it out and swear dog I say I deal with today. You see me? Yeah, man. We're gonna check it out and swear dog I deal with, cause Kman bad artist, bro. Let's get it.
6ixx rise, hey. Hey, fat up Zaki, I only hope he could run. Nobody not gonna live when my jaw for me gun. Slowly, them I go back.
Before I even jump in, bro, he always saying that 6ixx rise hell, bro. You feel me? I always find it funny when you say that shit, bro. But come on, let's get it.
Wishing I gravy belong. You got alone when me catch a 7. Your friend body still here, must be done skeleton. See how we kill them, swear, say hell we from. Boys see we and shake, cause I know we fit on a J-man said the word.
So where we kill them, bro, you swear say hell we come from, bro. Damn.
Load every gun, but all the fuck them later. 6ixx done rise every fucking day, man. Tint up car and less than 3, man. No.
All them lethal 6 man rise up. You see me I say? Tint up car no less than 3 man I come for you that.
Never like fairies and now we disappear boy, cause they commit treason. Head top split in a 2 face shot. Go for them Scooby the do. Jacob out the ton.
Hey, stop playing that toe, Jacob. Go for them Scooby the do. Off to you.
Nobody bad like you. Wake up, fat pussy, wake up. Hey, you better wake up. M1's a fill if every broom clean up. Them a fucking iron balloon, a 7-point stick boy to the gun and the glue.
Yeah, man say, man, them a iron balloon, bro. He dissing Plumpy boss, bro. Man say, my iron balloon, he can't bust, right? He can't raise, yes, he can't elevate. That's
and
crazy.
Everybody get it on the flu, cause every 6 man head sick. Oh, the big shot for you. your shit mouth. About 7 lucky place with them talking about. We are the evilest and them no. Every night man net sick.
About 7 lock in the place what them are talking about, bro. Hey yo, up to you, gunshot in your shit mouth, bro. Kman, I tell you, the man of Kman has one of the most smoothest and calm and deadly flow. You know?
We are the evilest and them no. Every night man net sick. Oh, every hate man net sick. Oh, watch every Z man net sick. Oh, then if you should be sick, you get to make a block her out. The OT man, them pussy will know where they man. And if you clip we have load for a reason. We get the ends burned down and
boy, they know say we are blow them, man. Every clip we have load for a reason, you know me G. You see me and I just play. Hey.
Watch every man get dirt, we no leave none. And never gonna sing about it, never they go that. We should know the boy, them is a big horror. You got the guard up, I got the Jehovah. It's a big tar rifle, I behold that. But all
you say you could have guard up, you could have Jehovah, it's a big rifle, I go hold it.
fuck them later, 6 dan rise every fucking day, man. Tint up car and less than J, man. Me go for them now, never like for reason. Now we disappear, boy, cause they commit treason. How the fuck them later, how the fuck them later.
He said about fear, boy, cause them commit treason. How them lethal, eh? How them lethal.
6 dan rise every fucking day, man. Tint up car and less than J, man. We go for them. Jacob badness, we go for them now. Face we don't miss the pussy but how. From me dance and rise hell with detrimental. And I swear we can't wait for live up all gun. Me got the Glock with a chip, the extra clip.
Oh, yo, bro, lyrics kicking, bro. I gotta pull that up, bro. From the dancing in for dead, bro. I'm telling my youth. Come on.
Jacob badness, we go for them now. Face we don't miss the pussy but how. From me dance and rise hell with
Jacob badness, we go for them now. Face we don't miss the pussy them bad. How?
detrimental. And I swear we can't wait for live up all gun. Me got the Glock with a chip, the extra clip on my hip. I'm a Mr. Stick, you're killing now we have it. And if me done I said the way then you know we at it. We fully psychopathic, no be right for no stick. See them never wow with us. Shot left hole in this esophagus. Yeah, now this was if you win with
They never want to war the shot left hole in them esophagus, bro. I'm to them, man.
must because anyway you spin with luck. Cause every 6 man that's sick. Oh, the big shot for your shit mouth. About 7 lucky place where them talking about. We are the evilest and them no. Every 9 man that's sick. Oh, every 8 man that's sick. Oh, every Z man that's sick. Oh,
I'm to you about 7 like the place. What am I talking about? That's crazy.
every second get them make the block around. Every second get them make the block around.
Easy, man. Kman, calm but deadly, bro. Yeah, man, dog. Yeah, that bad, bro. Shout out to Kman 6ixx, bro. Kman got some tracks that I really like, bro. You feel me? Like earlier I said, Focus, we done ready, Black Rain. Bro, the man be doing this thing, bro. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Kman, bro. You know what I'm saying? Really dope artist, bro. The man doing this thing, bro. The man doing this thing, no cap, bro. And music just crazy, lyrics crazy, his flow is just, like his flow is just calm and deadly, bro. You feel me? Even in this video, bro, you don't even see Kman act up himself. He just be calm, chilling and flowing on, you know, just singing the song them, bro, that's calm and deadly, but you man serious with it. I'm telling you, man, stop playing with Kman, bro. You know what I'm saying? So gang, let me know what y'all think about that one in the comment section. That's Kman 6ixx, no lethal. You feel me? The counteraction to Plumpy Boss Lethal. He did a good job, bro. The flow is just calm. He's just riding the rhythm calm, deadly. And just I tell chop some bad lyrics. This up, be a man. Song deadly, bro. Man, now play with them, bro. Shout out to Kman 6ixx, gang. You feel me? If you like it, go show the artist some love and support. Make you know it's a Jambisco dance. Don't know what time it is. Drop in the comments in the comment section, gang. Let me know what your favorite part was. And let me know who's your favorite part and favorite artist out of 6. Who you want me to react to next. All that good stuff. And if you like the video, please consider liking and subscribing. Help your boy out. Help me grow. I'm on the road to 10K, 100K, and a million. Help me out, gang. I already know what time it is, man. Hit that like and subscribe button, man. You already know what time it is. Yeah, really bang a track. Shout out to Kman 6ixx. Shout out to the whole 6. Shout out to the whole Trinidad. Shout out to 7, 8, and 9 them. Shout out to everybody in the Caribbean. Shout out to whole music. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Bang a tracks. I'm here for it to listen to it and see what I go on, gang. Hope y'all enjoy it, man. You already know what time it is. Your boy Jambisco. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.